Alright, before I jump into the full plan, let's talk honesty for a second. Starting on TikTok Shop today is exciting, but also a bit tricky, right? That's a lot of noise, a lot of hype, and not many clear roadmaps. Most people think they will just pick one product, run a few ads, or onboard few influencers, and boom, it would start selling. But reality is totally different. That's why we are not just guessing here. We are following a system, a smart step-by-step model that gives us the highest chance to succeed without wasting time, energy, or money. In this video, I will walk you through that system, how we start simple, test smart, scale carefully, and build a real brand. It's a full fee phase journey, and trust me, once you understand it, it will make a lot of sense why this is the safe and smart way to win on TikTok Shop today. Let's dive in. Here you can see the full free plan, and one by one I will show you why we need these all the steps. Here you can see we have the first phase. This is like you can see in this first phase our main goal is finding and testing the right product. Now TikTok Shop is still a very new platform. Unlike Amazon, there's no accurate tool available that can directly tell us this product will be best selling. That's why in first phase we list multiple products. We don't just bet on one or two or three items. We test different products, different categories, and we carefully watch which product start getting views, sales, and engagement. During this phase, we investment mainly goes into like small inventory batches, content creation like influencer videos, and basic ad testing. You can also see here we need almost like 1500 to 2k for the product testing, and almost 500,000 for the ads just for the testing. Here you can also see in this first phase we need almost 3k dollar budget, and in the first phase we will not make the profit, and that's the reality. We will maybe in minus ROI, or maybe we will in break even. Okay, that's the reality. I'm showing the real number to you. Maybe a few people show you you will make like 1000 or 2000 or 3000 from the very first month, but that's not the reality, literally. Okay, I hope you will understand the first model. In the first model we actually make the drop shipping from the Amazon just for the testing. And just suppose like we will add multiple listing from the Amazon, and when we get the order we will make the order from the Amazon, and the Amazon seller drop the product to the customer. That's the way we will use in the initial phase, because like just suppose we list 50 products and we take the inventory of the 50 products, so we have no idea which product actually work for us. So that's the reason in the first phase we will just do the drop shipping just for the testing. Okay, I hope the first phase is clear for you. Okay, so now jump on the second phase. In the second phase we actually like our one phase is complete, and we have just suppose 4 to 5 or maybe more products that are performing well. So in the second phase we will just check why is this products are selling. Maybe like is this because of trend, or because of influencer or promotion, or maybe seasonal demand, or is it generally a strong product. Because just suppose we have 4 5 6 products and we are selling these all the products and we are seeing the enough sales, so we just need to identify why we are selling these products so good. What's the reason behind? The reason is maybe the seasonal product, maybe, or maybe the trend, or maybe the influencer behind. That's why we are selling good. So we actually want a good product. The product maybe a evergreen product, you can see. So when we find the evergreen product, then we'll move to the next phase. So in this second phase we actually find from 4 5 6 product the evergreen product, which will be the maybe the PL for us. Okay, so this model almost maybe around this phase take almost 5 months, and during this time we'll still sourcing from the easier supplier like Temu or the Alibaba. These way we manage risks, keep costs low, and get to the data. Once we are 100% sure that a product is stable and has real market demand, then we'll go maybe move to the 2 or 3 product, and then we will move to the third phase. And in this second phase we will make almost 10 to 30% ROI, not so much, and that's the reality because we are still on testing phase. We are testing our white label products. From 4 5 6 7 products we will take 1 or 2 products. I hope this model is also clear for you. Now we will jump on this phase 3, and this is the scaling and the continuous reinvestment phase. Here you can see this is the total 1 year growth plan, and we need total $10,000 investment. Okay, so in the first phase we invest 3k, and maybe the return will be 2800, 2900, or maybe 3000. In the second phase we need almost $10,000, and the return may be somewhere around like 800, 8000, or 9000, or maybe 10,000. That will be the return. And in the third phase we will reinvest our all the money, and the third phase is the main phase. Now we have 2 3 4 good private label products. Now what the steps actually we will take in the third phase? We have proven winning products, so we shift the model from dropshipping to building our own brand. We move sourcing to Alibaba. We create custom packaging, registered trademark, and start presenting ourselves as a proper brand, not just a TikTok shop seller. This is where the real scalability and brand value comes in, from where we aim to build a real asset, something that consistently generating almost 30k to 50k month revenue. Here you can see I add, and over time it will definitely increase. And the best part, since all the testing is done easier, the risk at this stage become very low compared to the starting blindly. So I hope these all the models are clear to you. In the first phase we need $3k investment. You can see where we will spend our money. In the second phase we need almost $7k investment, and you can see where we will spend our money. In the third phase we will reinvest our all the money, and we need few money for the inventory because now we have a good tested product. We will spend on TikTok ad, we will spend on long term influencer, and the return we will like able to make 30 to 50k a month revenue with consistently. Okay, so here you can see the small summary. We have 3 phases. In first phase we will do testing and setup. In the second phase we will launch, we will work on launch and virality, or in the third phase we will working on scalability and reinvestment. The first month duration is 1 to 3 months, the second month duration is 3 to 8 months, and the third month duration is 8 plus 1 to 1 year, almost 4 months. I also show the investment and the expected return. Literally every dollar in the investment plan is carefully allocated toward these 3 phases, so we maximum return and minimize our risk. I hope this explanation give you a clear idea of the full journey. Still, if you have any concern or any question, feel free to ask anytime. We are here to support you through the whole process. Thank you.